everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moonwillow Beauty. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you like what you see, please don't hesitate to subscribe on your way out, as well as hitting that notification bell to know as soon as I upload a new video. Once we reach 500 subscribers, we are going to be doing a makeup giveaway, and you don't want to miss that, so make sure you subscribe before you leave. Today is going to be one of the most viewed videos on my channel, or I should say like one of the most viewed videos on my channel, which is the Sephora sample bag unbagging. I have two other videos of me unbagging Sephora samples, and I will link them in the description box down below. They are my two most viewed videos on my channel, so you don't want to miss those. And if you want to see what came in this sample bag, please keep on watching. I'm going to open this up and we will just pull out whatever we grab first. This is a repeat. I got this in a different sample bag previously. I have used it and it does work well. It is for when you blow dry your hair, and it's for smoothness, volume, conditioning, strength, and polish. The only thing that I have to say about this is be careful you don't use too much if you have fine hair like myself, because it will weigh down your hair. So if you have fine hair like mine, just make sure that you only use like this much. The next thing I'm seeing is this perfume sample, and this is the Chloe perfume. On the inside, it says that the scent is a sublime and powdery rose, feminine, natural, sexy, and chic. It is very rosy. I'm not a huge fan of floral scented perfumes, so I may give this one to a friend. The next thing that I am pulling out is the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm, and this is actually a decent size. Just open it up. You get a nice size little tub of it, and the smell is so good. I've heard great things about this one. I'm so excited to try it, and I will let you know in a future video how well that works. This is the Josie Marin 100% argan oil, pure argan oil, which is an organic moisturizing oil. Let me read the back for you. It says there's only one ingredient in this bottle: 100% pure, 100% organic, 100% natural argan oil. So I guess this can be used on your skin, on your nails, and on your hair. I will definitely give this a try. I've honestly never used oil on my skin, but I live in a climate now that is extremely cold in the wintertime, and it dries out your skin like crazy, so maybe I might give this a go on my face and hands, and I will let you know what I think. The next product is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I think this may be another K Beauty item, and I think it's supposed to be like the Take the Day Off balm. It smells really good, and yeah, so I've never used the Take the Day Off balm either. I will give this one a go. I'm kind of interested to see how balms work to take your makeup off, as I usually just use wipes. And I might feature this in a upcoming video, so it's a bit of a surprise now, but if you want to see how this works, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. There's one more item in here, and that is the Anastasia Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil, and I got the shade Soft Brown, so that should work really good for me. Unfortunately, right now, my roots are showing through, but when I do get my hair done, my hair is darker, so this should work really well for me, and it comes in handy because I just ran out of my ColourPop Blondie pencil that I got in my very first ever YouTube video, and so I need a new pencil. I like to use pencils because of the fact that I don't like to spend a whole lot of time on my brows. But you guys, that's it for my sample bag items, but there is one more thing that I wanted to show you, and that is the Glam Glow little Hello Sexy little birthday present. It is my birthday at the end of this month, so when I made my order, I cashed in for my birthday present. You get the Super Mud Clearing Treatment and the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in here. If you follow me on my Instagram, you will have seen that I tried the Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and it's probably not the best option for me because I do have sensitive skin. It says right on it, do not use if you have sensitive skin. I'll probably use it again and maybe just lessen the time that I have it on for, but it did make my skin very red. It felt good, but it didn't look good. So that's just a forewarning to anybody who has sensitive skin. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. It was just a short and sweet sample bag unbagging. Let me know down in the comments below which product you want to see me try the most. And I will tally everything together and make a video of what everybody wants to see. Like I said before, at 500 subscribers, we are going to be doing a giveaway, and you don't want to miss it. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel before you leave. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!